Create a stunning bronze filigree boho bracelet in this step-by-step tutorial. You'll learn how to combine antique bronze elements, filigree charms, and beads to design a beautifully handcrafted piece. Perfect for beginners and jewelry lovers seeking a unique, earthy bohemian accessory. We'll use elegant filigree connectors with holes on both sides and gorgeous oval beads for the center, creating a charming handcrafted design with perfect balance and boho-inspired elegance. Choose bronze-colored filigree and findings to enhance the bohemian look, adding warmth and vintage charm. To make this bohemian bracelet step-by-step, start with bronze wire. Cut a 6-inch piece of 22-gauge bronze wire using your plier cutter to prepare for forming loops and attaching beads. To make the loop, use round nose or concave pliers to bend the 22-gauge wire at a 90-degree angle. Hold the loop firmly with pliers and rotate the wire around its base 3 times to create secure, even wraps, ensuring a neat and professional finish. You can use your fingers or nose pliers to hold the tip of the wire securely while wrapping, ensuring better control and precise. After finishing the loop, use a plier cutter to trim any excess wire neatly, keeping your design clean and professional. Use a nose plier to gently press and fix the loop wrap, ensuring it's tight, smooth, and perfectly aligned. Insert the looped wire through one hole of the filigree connector. Slide the bead onto the wire, then pass it through the opposite hole. Adjust carefully to ensure the bead rests perfectly centered within the connector for a balanced, professional look. After passing the wire through the opposite hole, use round nose or concave pliers to bend it at a 90-degree angle. Then, carefully wrap the wire around the top jaw to create a neat, even loop that secures the bead in place. Rotate the wire around the loop several times to secure the connector firmly. Make sure the wraps are tight, even, and close together for a professional finish. Rotate the wire around the loop several times to secure the connector firmly. Make sure the wraps are tight, even, and close together for a professional finish. Make sure the twisted wire is tight and secure, ensuring your connector and bead stay firmly in place without gaps. After finishing the loop, use a plier cutter to carefully trim any excess wire close to the wraps. Ensure the cut end is smooth and neat to prevent snagging and keep your bracelet looking clean and professional. Use the nose plier to gently tuck and clean any sharp excess wire, ensuring a smooth, safe, and polished finish. Once you finish the first connector, continue adding more filigree and bead units until the desired bracelet length is reached, repeating the same process for each section to maintain a consistent design. Now, we're about to connect the compound pieces using jump rings. These rings will link each filigree and bead connector together. Open the first jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert it through the loop of the first connector, then through the loop of the second connector, linking both securely together. Close the jump ring tightly using pliers, ensuring both ends meet perfectly for a secure, seamless connection between the connectors. Open another jump ring by twisting it sideways. Insert it through the loop of the next connector, then attach it to the previous 2 connected pieces, securing them together to extend your bracelet design seamlessly. We are going to repeat the same process by opening another jump ring, inserting it into the loop of the 4th connector, and attaching it to the previous 3 connected pieces, continuing to build the bracelet's elegant linked structure. Keep adding extra connectors, joining each one with jump rings, and measuring around your wrist as you go. Continue this process until you're satisfied with the bracelet length and it fits comfortably and beautifully. For the final step, open one more jump ring and insert it into the loop of the last connector. Add the lobster clasp, then close the jump ring tightly to complete your beautiful bohemian bracelet. Open a jump ring sideways using pliers. Pass it through the loop of the last connector, then close it securely. This jump ring will serve as the closure point for your bracelet's lobster clasp connection. Your beautiful bohemian bracelet is now ready to wear. Enjoy its handmade charm, unique style, and the satisfaction of creating your own stunning jewelry piece. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more creative jewelry tutorials. Your support helps me share new bohemian designs, tips, and DIY projects every week. Thank you.